I am. I am going to a party tonight. I'm going to a party tonight. You are. You are learning English. You're learning English. He is. He is from Spain. He's from Spain. She is. She is at work. She's at work. We are going to the cinema tonight. We're going to the cinema tonight. It is raining outside. It's raining outside. Is not. It is not raining outside. Isn't. It isn't raining outside. Are not. They are not going to the party. Aren't. They aren't going to the party. They are. They are going to the party. They're going to the party. There is a cat sitting on the chair. There's a cat sitting on the chair. Was not. I was not at work yesterday. Wasn't. I wasn't at work yesterday. Were not. They were not at work yesterday. Weren't. They weren't at work yesterday.